Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the thermistor in your freezer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screw, securing the thermistor cover to the liner. Pull the cover out to release the tab, then detach the thermistor. You can now disconnect the wire connector to remove the old thermistor. Install the new thermistor by first connecting the wire connector. Secure the thermistor in the notch in the cover. Then insert the cover tab in the hole in the liner and thread the mounting screw. Plug the power cord back in, and your freezer should be ready for use.